Hey guys, greetings from me to you all, wherever you are. Now, as of our last class, I told you guys we're going to be entering into Illustrator. Now, this is our Adobe Illustrator software. So many people see Illustrator as just a logo design software or software that is being used to design logos. But for me, it's far more than just a logo design software. So it's a bit, Illustrator and Photoshop that are related, but there is a bit of difference between the two. But they are still graphic design softwares. Now, when you open up your Illustrator, so this page is gonna come out. It's just an introduction to Illustrator. Then on our next class, we're gonna start up fully. Now, when you open up your Illustrator, what we're gonna do, we go to File. When you go to File, like Photoshop, we click on File, then we click on New. Now, when you click on New, there's option is gonna come out where you're gonna set most of the stuff you're going to be working with. Now, in Photoshop, we only work with one artboard, but here in Illustrator, you can work with from one artboard, two artboard to 5 or 10, whichever how many you want to work with. Now, when you open up your your working place, you're gonna see something like this. You're gonna see name, which means untitled one. That's if you want to change it to the name of the project you're working on, whatever you want to change it to, you're free to just put the name of the project you're working on there. Then there is a number of artboard. If you come down here now, normally it's on one because I do use one artboard. But if you want to use two or more, you just click by the rectangular sign that is there. Instead that you go up, you click up two, or you go down to one. But let's just use two so that I can be able to show you the difference between these working paper and then that of Photoshop. So we'll use two artboards. Now here there is a spacing, there is a size, it's a A4 size we're using. The width is there, the height is there. Then at the right hand side you see the units. So normally when we open a Photoshop, when we click on international paper, the size and then the shape, centimeter and all that is gonna come out. But here you have to go to units. You just click on the triangular sign there. It's gonna bring out the other ones. If you're gonna use inches, millimeter, pixel and all that, it's there. So we have the height, we have the color mode here. It's CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and then black. The K stands for black. So then after setting all of this, you can now click OK. You can now click OK. It will get to your working paper. Now we have two artboards. Now this is the two artboard we're going to be working on. Now here, if you want to work start with the first one, it's okay. If you want to start with the second one, it's okay. But what you're going to do, if you want to start with the second one, you just have to look below. There is a triangular sign there below indicating one. You will see one there, but if you click on it, it's gonna show you if you had inserted like 3 or 4 artboards. If you click here, it's gonna bring out the number of the artboards you're working on. Then you choose the one you want to start with. You click either 2, 3, 4 or 5, whichever one. But now it's just 1 and 2. So when you click on the rectangular sign, it's gonna bring it up. Then we can choose either 1 or 2. So if you click on 2, it's gonna shift it to the side. Then you're working with the number 2. But if you click on 1, then it's gonna shift it back, which means you are starting with the first one. So this is it. Now there are a lot of things I'll be showing you in this Illustrator. We have a lot of options we're gonna be working on. A lot of things we'll be dealing with. We have blending options. We have divide options where you're gonna merge two colors or two photos and a lot of things I'm gonna be showing you. Now we have the what is it called again? We have the I'm gonna also be showing you the Pathfinder options. So there are a lot of things. The clipping mask option too. Here in Illustrator, we still have a clipping mask. We did it in Photoshop, but here it's a bit different. So, but it's still gonna give you the same result, but it's a big. The process is a big different from Photoshop's. So we have a lot of things to show you here. I have a lot of things to show you here. So all you need to do is just fasten up your seatbelt. Yeah, this is just an introduction to what Illustrator is all about. So, but on our next class, I'm gonna show you a whole lot. We're gonna start up with a work, so we're gonna understand how this works. So I wish you guys a happy viewing. All you have to do is just subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tonielo AJ, Tonielo in one word, then spacebar AJ. Tell your friends, tell your enemies, so that they can they can see it and then be able to learn one or two things from it. So I'm counting on you guys. Thanks for all those who have been viewing my videos, the Photoshop tutorial I've been rendering. Now this is Illustrator, and I believe we're gonna learn a lot from this class. See you guys and remain blessed. Thank you.